Hi, Christine here. So today's video is all about the Hotel Californian in Santa Barbara. This hotel is historic. So we stayed in the Sistina King Bed Oceanview room. Here's the prices and here's the amenities. You get to rent bicycles, there's a Tesla charger, and then you can also rent beach umbrellas. It's beautiful with the black and white decor, cute little bike in front of the hotel when you check in. Lots of gold in here. Here is the lobby and the bar area. It is just so cute. These stairs are iconic, along with this beautiful view of Santa Barbara. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel while you're here and enjoy the video. You're gonna enjoy it. Look at this room, it's gorgeous. Look at this elevator. Oh, I love this lobby. It's so cute in here. Look at the ground. Oh my God, so cute. Okay, elevator. Let's go to elevator. So as we're walking to our hotel room, this is the view of the courtyard for this mission style hotel.
Need to take off the brace.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful. We're going outside. Cheers, Mona. So beautiful. I kind of smell fish, like water.
This is
Like the shower, there's toiletries. Oh wow, it's so cute. It's so pretty in here. Like, it's just nice. Let's see this closet. This is not worth $6,000. I love that everything is white in here. Just light and bright. It feels so beachy. We don't have drawers. Ooh, a Nespresso. Oh, I love Nespresso. There's little pods. It doesn't say that. Very nice, very nice. Oh, great for drinks. So we need, well, we don't have any vodka. The carpet feels wet. Like they just cleaned it. So there's a gold, black and white theme, even in the bedrooms with cute little artsy kind of decor. This mirror is sharp. It's in the bathroom. It's actually a Simplehuman mirror. It retails for about $135 to $150, and it senses when you're going to go in front of it. So this is a good mirror to do your makeup in. Artificial lighting though. So I think all in all, the bedroom was beautiful. I just love staying in here. The bed was super comfortable with really nice pillows. We upgraded to an ocean view room. So in the afternoon, it was blue skies, but in the morning, it was kind of like overcast and cloudy, which was fine. We really enjoyed this room. We felt like we were on vacation, kind of artsy in the room, which we really enjoyed. I loved having a desk in the room. That made all the difference, along with a little tray with the bar set. And then the robes were so comfortable. You can buy these too. The bathroom was great. It was a good size, lots of privacy. We did not have a bathtub. We only had a shower, but I did love all the gold hardware in the restroom. And there's my makeup bag by Pretty Fast Cosmetic, along with the toiletries, which I loved the toiletries. It smelled good. Come on, girl, you got it? Drinking and driving. Just in case you didn't know. Oh, it's so gorgeous here. This is across the street from the Hotel Californian. So beautiful. Look at this. This is the rooftop pool in the next building over. So it's still the same hotel. They just have a couple of different buildings, but it's just also the same decor. It's so gorgeous. I just love it. Wow. Oh yeah, but it's full. Oh wow. It's really tiny. Oh wow, look at that. So the pool is small, and there's about 16 chairs along with a couple of beds that are kind of connected together. The view is beautiful. They had great drinks. I did love the drinks, and you can charge them to your room. So here's a few gals. We were stalking the wedding down the way in the courtyard. Look at that cute little car. And that was a cute bride. So we really got to witness a wedding. It was adorable. Love was in the air. I guess this is a place where, you know, people do go and get married in Santa Barbara. It was adorable. Tile. This was a great hotel as far as decor and the amenities. The only thing is I did not like that the pool was across the street. The location in Santa Barbara is hard too. Like you have to literally fly in on a private jet, but usually you have to fly to LA and drive here. It's definitely a destination spot, but I definitely want to stay at a different hotel next time. But this was cute. I just don't know if I'd stay here again. But I did love the decor. It inspired me to kind of decorate my own house this way. I mean, it was really cute and cozy. We had a great time here. I think we stayed 2 to 3 nights, and the little town is adorable. Not too much to do, but it's really adorable. Well, thanks so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel while you're here. I'm Christine. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.